Welding Institute, it's one of the many processes we deal with. Here's a magnified view of the electrode as the workpiece would see it. In this video, we'll show you what you need to know to do simple jobs yourself. First, a reminder of how it works. Electric power is fed to a wire or rod of similar material to the work, which strikes an arc. The rod is supplied as an electrode, ready coated with a solid flux, but more of that at the end of the video. The end of the rod melts and deposits metal on the work to form the weld. We've said manual metal arc welding, often abbreviated to MMA. Most people call it stick welding. If people talk about electric arc welding, this is usually what they mean, but there are other types of arc welding. Americans call it shielded metal arc welding, or SMAW. We'll be showing you how to use one of these low power sets. They're all portable and work off a 13 amp socket. The controls are simple, but you should always read the instruction book carefully first. You'll need to practice before you can make a reasonable weld. We'll show you in this program how you can weld simple joints in mild steel 3 mm or more thick. We suggest you watch right through first, then look at it again in sections before you practice. Max will show you bead on plate runs for practice and checks, how to set up the parts for welding, what to do when you're actually welding, what you might do wrong and the faults it causes, how to work safely, and how to weld up a bench with typical joints. As well as the set itself with its connecting leads, you'll need a welder's helmet or shield, a pair of stout leather gloves, a chipping hammer and clear protective goggles, a wire brush, some steel to practice on, at least 3 mm thick. Anything less is extremely difficult. We've used neat plates here, but you can make do with clean scrap. Of course, you'll need electrodes. We'll tell you more about these later. An electrode holder and a return clamp, and the usual workshop tools.